All right, we are going to make some pulled pork sandwiches today. We're going to get things started by trimming our pork butt. Not going to do too much, just score the fat cap on the back and make sure everything's all nice and trim for an even cook. Once that's done, we're going to give it a slather of yellow mustard. I don't care what anybody says, you are not going to taste that mustard. And then we're going to use our sweet heat as a base layer and our sweet hog as a top layer. This is going to give you perfect bark and perfect flavor throughout that pork butt. Once that's done, we're going to get it on our pit boss. We're rolling over post oak pellets today, going 250 degrees right now. This is about the second time I've checked for tenderness. Give it a spray of some apple cider vinegar. Now, once that pork butt reaches about 145 to 150 internal, we're going to spray it down with some cider vinegar, put some more rub on it, and then we're going to cover it and get it back on the pit until it reaches between 200 and 205 internal. And as you can see right here, I just checked for tenderness and everything. We're gonna rewrap, and then we're gonna get it in our Magellan Pro Outdoor Hard Quart cooler. Let it sit and rest for about 2 hours. And after a good 2-hour rest, here we see perfect pulled pork. Bone pulls right out, perfect smoke and everything.